Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. So today's video is going to be 8, yes, only 8, of products that you would need for the summertime that will be game changers. 2 of them are actually together in one category. I know that there's 9 total, but we're going with 8 because they're the same type of product. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first one is a really hydrating lip balm. Out of all the lip balms that I've ever tried, Summer Fridays, hands down, has it. I love it in vanilla, I love it in this pink, and I'm sure I'll pick it up in more colors as they become available. Next, you need to find yourself a really great, hydrating, light concealer that can just cover some areas that might be problem zones for you. And if you have the same color as me, I highly recommend the Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow, and I have it in the shade 22. Of course, brightening up underneath your eyes is a must because then you don't need any foundation or anything like that. And Colleen Rothschild has that done for you. This illuminating bright eye concealer is great because it also has skincare benefits. I love this stuff. I've already repurchased a replacement for it. Okay, these are the 2 that are in the same category, which makes it only 8, even though there are 2 of them, because I like them for different reasons. Sunscreen is the #1 thing, of course, that you need for your skin in the summertime. Now, let me tell you why these 2 are my favorite and which one I would pick for what. So the Kosas one I love if you want an everyday makeup, non-makeup look, but you want your skin to look radiant. This is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on your skin. It just gives the most radiant finish and it blends right in. Even though it's like a peachy color in here, that's all I have on my face right now with a little bit of concealer, and it just looks stunning. Okay, the other one by Summer Fridays is my everyday go-to when I'm wearing foundation. I get this one because it does not have that. It is just a normal formula of sunscreen. It's very lightweight, which I love, and I'll show you when it rubs in. It does not have a white cast or anything. It's so incredibly lightweight on your skin. Does not have a scent like other sunscreens. It's phenomenal. So this one I'd wear underneath foundations. Okay, next, you want to glow in the summer, of course. This palette, I know it's a little pricey, is so worth it. And one of the reasons why it's so worth it is because I wear this on my eyes, all over my face as like a blush highlighter, and then adding a little bit of bronze to my face. So it can be used multiple ways, which makes it very good for the price point. Okay, next is that summer scent. I cannot do florals, so I fell in love with this scent when I saw it on the Small Things blog. It is Dolce by Rose Jane. It is the most perfect vanilla you'll ever smell. I mean, it smells just incredible. It doesn't smell like a fake vanilla. It's just dreamy. So I highly recommend this perfume. Okay, the next one is a really great cream stick blush, and I'm loving this one by Western Atelier. I love that it's magnetic, but this color is just stunning. I first saw it on Lisa J Makeup. It will be linked down below. It just gives the most radiant, I'm wearing it today, look on your skin, and it's gorgeous, and it's so easy to work with. And then last but not least is something to set it all in place. I know it's surprising to hear this on my channel because I am not someone who generally likes setting sprays. This one has changed my mind. I know it's highly raved, and I thought, I'm probably not gonna like it because I haven't liked it in the other ones. I really like it. It's a very fine mist, it smells good, doesn't bother my allergies, and it does a great job blocking everything in for the heat and humidity. So those are 8 of my go-to must-have summer products. I'd love to hear down below in the comment what are yours that I can also try. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.